Okay, now we will do some exercises for our bums and tums. Okay? So you need to be on your fours with your knee in line with your hip and your wrists below your shoulders. Neutral spine. Squeeze your belly. Have neutral spine. Okay? Now inhale. As you exhale, stretch your right leg out at hip level. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Ooh, wearing these weights makes it so much harder, right? Ooh. Let's do the other leg. Inhale. Engage your core. As you exhale, stretch that leg, point your toes. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your knees down. Again, inhale. As you exhale, stretch your leg. Get your balance. Inhale. As you exhale, stretch your opposite arm and look straight ahead. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Lengthen your spine. Inhale. As you exhale, stretch the other leg out. Get your balance. Inhale. As you exhale, stretch the opposite arm and look straight ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, now bring your elbows just below your shoulders. Okay. Again, point your feet. So pressing your toes down. Engage your core. Inhale. As you exhale, stretch that leg up. When you inhale, bring it down. When you exhale, raise it up as high as you can. Comfortably do so, but it shouldn't hurt your back or anywhere. Okay? Control. Lengthen your spine. Lift your shoulders away from your ears. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7. Engage your core. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, pulse. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your knee down. And repeat on the other side. Engage your core. Exhale as you stretch. Lift it up. Breathe in when you bring it down. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Go back. Squeezing those muscles. Okay. Inhale as you come up. Turn. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to stretch. So let me face the camera and do it. Okay? So you sit up straight. Sit on your sit bone. Flex your feet. Okay? Now bend your right knee, keeping your foot flat. Stretch your arm out. Inhale as you go back. As you exhale, lift your right leg up, parallel to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and come down. Oof. It's harder when you lift it from the floor than when you push it out. Let's do the other side. Just a different way of doing it, that's all. So sit up, stretch your arms, lean back as you breathe in. As you breathe out, lift, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and relax. Ooh. Okay, now bend both knees. I'll sit at an angle so that you can see better what I'm doing with my legs, okay? Bend your knees. Place your left foot on the floor. Lean back. Pull your tummy in, engage your core, push your chest out. Lift your toes of your right leg. Stretch for 1. Bend for 2. Inhale as you stretch. Exhale as you bend. 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 Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and relax. Solid, right? And also if I don't count, if I'm just saying inhale, exhale, you don't know how many you're actually doing, but you're doing 16 to a count of 16.
Yeah.
So it's all about the mind, isn't it? When you know you're going to count up to 16, when I go to 8, then count backwards, you know, oh right, okay, it's going to stop after 1. But here when I just keep saying inhale, exhale, you don't know how long I'm going to keep up this torture. Okay, let's do the other side. Yeah, let's do the other side. Okay, lean back as you inhale. Push your chest out, tummy tucked in. Stretch your leg as you exhale. Now hold it there. Inhale, and as you exhale, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Wearing these ankle weights has really upped the game now, isn't it?
Absolutely.
It's good though. It's good. I'm pleased about that.
Yeah. The one I really loved today, so far, was the downward plank and also this dog plank.
That
That was superb.
Yeah, that's one of the sequences from my Natya Shakti yoga, where you just go from one to the next, from one to the next, alternate breaths. So that really engages all your muscles and gives you a good cardio workout as well.
That's super, that was.
Yeah. So yeah, that's why that I leave to the end, because by then you're already quite tired. So if you're having to sustain that, you're working really hard.
We've never done that before, so
No, we haven't done that before. Yeah, I haven't done that with you. But that's something I make my dance students do quite regularly.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's just slowly introducing you to different things. Okay, now place your left foot on the floor. Lengthen your spine. Hold on to your foot, your right foot with your right arm, right palm. Inhale. Inhale as you pull it in towards you. Okay. Now you can hold with both hands actually. You don't need to support yourself. I think you're strong enough now. Your core is strong enough now for you to do this. Focus and engage your core. And as you exhale, stretch. Stretch. Lift it up. Now you can hold your ankle if you want, so that you lift it higher. Point your toes. Pull your knee towards you and push your chest towards your leg. Back straight. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay there. See if you can lean back a little more. And hold and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee and slowly come down. You okay?
Yeah.
Where do you feel it?
Abs.
Abs. That's what I was working at. So now see, because your legs are strong, your abs are really working hard. Isn't it? When your legs were not strong enough, you couldn't lift, so you couldn't focus so much on your abs. Now you can focus on your abs because your legs are stronger and also more flexible.
And hold it also. I'm holding it.
Yeah. And you're more flexible now.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So let's try on the other side. Put your right foot down. Hold your left foot with your left arm. Pull it in as you inhale. Hold it with both arms now. Focus. Engage your core. As you exhale, stretch your leg. Point. And bring your palm to your ankle. Hold point. Pull your chest towards your leg and leg towards your chest. And hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay there. As you inhale, lean back a little more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it down and relax.